You will love this polished metallic 2013 Acura ILX sedan technology, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 35 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like auxiliary audio input, iPod iPhone integration, slide tilt sunroof, remote operation power windows, one-touch power sunroof, xenon headlights, push-button start keyless ignition, HomeLink universal garage door opener, auto-dimming inside rear-view mirror, variable power assisted steering, remote anti-theft alarm system with engine, immobilizer, heated exterior mirrors with integrated turn signals, electronic brake force distribution, speed-sensitive front wipers, front fog lights, hard drive navigation system with voice activation, leather upholstery, power glass sunroof, single CD/DVD player and dash, 8-way power driver seat, heated driver and passenger seating, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2013 Acura ILX. See us at Whitfield Acura today.